Welcome everybody, this is Sky Max Streams. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the new Xbox Series S. As if you can see, 512 gigabytes. You could also put a memory card, which is sold separately. Today is just about the inbox. And stay tuned everybody, we are still doing the raffle for this weekend. I'll leave a link down below where you can get this Xbox at or the Xbox X. And also, I'll also be releasing my two other review videos on about my experience on iPhone 12 and my experience on the new Apple Watch 6 series Red. Stay tuned for those, but today let's get this unboxed. We'll flip it. And it has these little slips, real easy to remove. And then there you go. Wow. Huh. Wow, it's pretty small. Pretty cool. Huh. It's pretty cool. What else is in the box? Instructions. That's cool. There's the remote. That was nice. Fire. And of course, you can't forget the remote. Let's check out this new remote. There's the batteries. Ooh, nice grip. Okay, I'm seeing it. Nice. It feels like grippy. Ooh, nice. Really nice. Alright, I'm digging it. Okay. Nice. Wow. Of course, batteries. Me, I'll just get the rechargeables. Now for the big finale. Put this to the side. Wow, this is small. They were not kidding about that part. Let's see, it'll slide through. You can either stand it this way or flat. As if you can see, that's for the memory card right there. Internet, ooh, nice. Okay, that's what's up. Can't wait to turn this on. Stay tuned, everybody. Signing off, Sky Max Streams.